Kia ora te whānau, no mai hoki mai. One of the most important things as a new user to crypto is security. So many people lose their money. They get scammed, they get phished. Scammers are out to get your money. And if you're not protected and if you don't have tools to help you stay protected, you're gonna lose your money. This is the same even with experienced users. I got my guard came down and I nearly got hacked bad a couple of weeks ago, and this tool actually saved my ass. All right, so I want to show you this because it's important. I think you should take advantage of this because it will definitely help you and stop certain circumstances that cause you to get scammed. So it's called Wallet Guard. All right, so I've just got Google here and I've just put in Wallet Guard, so I'm just going to hit, so it's just Wallet Guard. All right, I'm going to hit enter, and it's this top one here, so it's walletguard.app. Okay, so we're going to click on here and I'll take you to the site. I'm going to click on add to browser. All right, and I've got this add to Chrome button over here, just so I can show you that, move that over, add to Chrome. Okay, and then add extension. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, let me just pull this across. Okay, so I want to show you why this is important. There's a number of reasons. One is that when you go to any website, so say for example, you've clicked on a link, all right, and you go to the website, it will actually identify the site if it's been just created, and a lot of these scammers, they only just create the sites. Now, I'm going to show you, this site has actually been updated, so it's not a scammer, but I'm going to show you what happens when I click on it. Okay, so we've got Wallet Guard installed, and now I'm going to click on this here, which I've already got preloaded just so I can show you this for the purposes of this tutorial. This actually is a good project, but I'm just showing you what can happen because they've just updated their website, all right? Changed it. Actually, changed the URL, so it's a new URL, all right? A new web address. So if I click on this, watch what happens. See this? Okay, so it's giving you a warning because it says here, it was recently created and has low trust. If you proceed, please use caution. Okay, now it could be a phishing attempt. So what's important to understand is that most of these scammers, the websites that they use are fairly new. Okay, so this is your first layer of protection, is it alerts you and tells you, okay, this has just been created, this could be dangerous, so proceed with caution. Okay, this is before you even connect wallets or anything like this. So this is your first layer, which is really good. It's good to know. All right, so I'm just going to X out of that. I'm going to X out of that, and I'm going to come back here. Now, one of the most important things is that when you use a MetaMask wallet or any wallet, when you connect to any smart contract, there's a high possibility, if you don't know what it is or if it's something new to you, there's a high possibility that it could be trying to drain your wallet. All right, and what Wallet Guard does is it actually simulates the transaction. If it thinks that this smart contract has got malicious code in it, it will simulate a transaction before you actually even do the transaction, and it will show you the results. Okay, now in my case, it was an NFT, and I actually went to the website and I clicked to connect, and it actually shut down the site. It actually shut down, it actually crashed the browser. Okay, and if it hadn't, I would have been nailed. All right, but you can see here, let's go down a bit. Okay, so how we protect you, multi-layered defense. Okay, so this is a really good one. You can see here that it's, that it's showing that it'll actually give you a notification, which is what it just showed us, right? And a lot of URLs, because when scammers try and get you, when they phish you on a site, they'll just change one letter in the URL, so you think it's real, right? You actually look at it and you just quickly browse it and it looks real, and you'll go there and you'll connect to that site, connect your wallet, and your funds are gone. They'll drain you. All right, so phishing attempts, websites with low trust, unverified marketplaces, and scams. Okay, so this is a must. Okay, come down, it's got really good, and now they've got a partnership with MetaMask, so that gives you full confidence that Wallet Guard is a reputable company. Okay, a reputable app. All right, see this here, transaction simulation. Human readable insights on every transaction so that you know exactly what is going on in and out of your wallet. Okay, protects against malicious approval. So this is when you're actually connecting your wallet to a smart contract. It's going to let you know. All right. Wallet drainers, which is the biggest one. So many people lose their funds from their wallets. Okay, because of this. Fraudulent mint websites. Okay, so look, it's like a layer of protection that you need, not just as a new user to crypto, but even as an experienced one. It's got really good reviews, and it also keeps adding more NFT communities as well, like verifying them. So let me just show you. Hold on, I'll just install MetaMask and I'll come back. Okay, so now that I've installed MetaMask, you can see here, I clicked on this refresh data, and what that did is it actually shows in your wallet guard that you've got the latest update. Now, when this is not updated, and it will actually warn you and tell you that you need to update, and what you need to do, what I do anyway, is if you come up to these three little dots up the top here and click on that, and then click on more tools, and then click on extensions, you'll see here that I've got this enabled, developer mode, but by default it will be like that. All right? So if you enable this, developer mode, it'll give you this option here to update. And you can just click on update, and what it will do is it will actually update all your extensions for you. Okay, so this is just an easier way for you to update everything. All right, so everything looks good right now, and you can see here I haven't got any of these installed. This is a fresh install of Chrome, but you can see that we've got everything up to date with MetaMask. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what happens when you actually connect to a site. So if you haven't heard of OpenSea, it's when where you can buy and sell NFTs, right? So I'm going to click on that, and right here you can see it's got the option to connect wallet. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask to it. Okay, so I'll click on connect wallet, and then click on MetaMask. Then it's going to ask me to sign this. So basically I'm connecting to the smart contracts, okay? And so MetaMask can see addresses and everything on my wallet and balances. So I'm going to click on next. Now watch what will happen when I click on connect. I'll click on connect. It's going to ask me to sign. Well, now when I click on accept and sign, watch what happens. Wallet guard will come up, okay? And you can see here that it's verified by wallet guard, okay? Now if it's not, then you might be in trouble. All right, but if there's any issues, it will tell you right here, and then you can simply just reject it. In this particular case, I'll click on continue. Okay, and now it's going to allow me to sign. So what Wallet Guard does is it blocks everything until you have a look at, make sure all the details are correct, and then it'll let you actually sign. Okay, so once you agree and everything's fine in Wallet Guard, then you can proceed and actually sign stuff and connect your wallet to the dApps. All right, so now I can just click on sign, and now I'm actually connected. You can see here I'm actually connected to OpenSea. So and what will happen is when you install it, you can see there's a little Wallet Guard icon up here. Okay, click on that, come back here. So it's an important toolkit for just adding another security layer, because we need them. Let's face it, scammers are rampant. I want to show you something in my actual version that I use. So let me just grab that. Okay, so this is actually my current version. Okay, so I don't use Trust Wallet, but I've got all these ones in here and everything's up to date. But let me show you the alert history. So in here, any alerts that you get, attacks or anything, will be in your alert history. So if I click on that, so this here was this particular, this was on the 28th of April. This was actually when I nearly got hacked. Okay, and then I was using this. I actually connected to it again because I was actually going to make a tutorial about it. But this is what happened. I went to the website and it gave me this warning, but I actually didn't take notice too much of it. I was in a rush and I wanted to connect to the actual website, and when I connected to it, it came up with this, and it actually blocked me and actually shut down the browser. It wouldn't actually let me connect to the site because it was that dangerous, right? And I would have got hacked for sure. you can see here, this was actually the name of it, Cross the Ages, which apparently is some popular game. And I just hadn't checked my NFT account for a long time, over a year. And I just went in there to check something, and there was this NFT airdropped that was going for like, I think it was 0.5 ETH, and I thought, oh, it's just a bonus, I'll just, and it only had 2,000 mints, and I was thinking, oh, man, I must have got chosen for something. My guard was down, and so I clicked on it, and clicked on the actual project, went to the project, and then I clicked on the link to the website, and then I went to connect my wallet to claim, and it shut down. Wallet Guard shut it down. So if it hadn't, I would have been nailed. All right, so look, and these ones here, these ones are just, the one I showed you, well actually I'll show you here. Let me just grab this, and I'll show you. If I come up here and paste this in here, see this? Okay, so it might be harmful. This website I know is not harmful, but what they've done is they've just recently changed the URL, okay, and that's why it shows this. All right, so look, I recommend this 100%. Look, like I said, it saved me, and I'm sure it will save you at one point in time. It's a great extension. Anything that gives you another layer of security is vital in this space, because all the scammers, everybody's out to take everything off you. So if you're new to crypto, this is a must. Even if you're not new to crypto, I mean, I'm experienced. I've been in the space since 2015. So, and I let my guard down. So all it takes is one time to let your guard down, and you'll get wiped out. So if you're new to crypto, join our Discord community. I'll leave a link in the description and as a pinned comment. And come and join the community. It doesn't matter if you're totally new to crypto. We don't mind answering questions. We've got some really smart people in the group. So come and do that, and have yourself a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.